Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hello friends, checking in on natural gas. We'll start with a weekly time frame, then we're going to look at UNG on the daily and the weekly as well. So we see the uptrend that lasted all of 2016 on the bounce that played out has broken. We lost the higher low, higher high pattern. We set a lower high and then a lower low. That is a significant shift in the trend. Since then, we have seen some bounce attempts that did not amount to anything, and we're closing down very weak at the end of this most recent week. What stands out is upper wicks of profit taking the past 2 weeks. So zooming in for more details, looking on the daily time frame, we can see the clear rejection here. Resistance was up at 312.7. We topped out at 312.2 and then dumped to lower lows. Bears are in full control. We are not oversold. We have bounced just under or just at 30 RSI many times in 2017, so that is a level to be watching. But we could see another leg to the downside before we reach that 30 RSI level. So the next daily support that we're looking at is down at 2815, and we are currently, the low of this past week was 2832. So there's not a ton of support after 2185. We're looking down at 2772. So a significant change in the trend. This has happened on oil. It is now happening on natural gas. And gold is seeing a key break of support as well, as is silver. So commodities are getting hurt, and it is not due to dollar strength because the dollar has been in a downtrend all of 2017. So watching the commodities weaken here, watching the energy sector weaken, and anticipating lower highs and lower lows to continue until we see some kind of trend change, which I don't anticipate anytime soon because we just made a bearish trend change. So zooming in on the hourly time frame for even more detail, look at how clear this pattern is of just bounce attempts, setting lower highs, all out dump, all out dump, all out dump, just bears all over the place. And we're now looking at the attempt to form a higher low. So support was 2832, the low. A higher low is 2847, and the bulls will have to break the high of this bounce attempt of 2947 to see a higher low and then a higher high in an attempt to reverse this trend over the past couple of days. So looking at UNG, it's reflecting that weakness with just continuous lower highs and lower lows, bear volume. We're looking down at support of 633. If that breaks, further downside is coming. So UNG, bounce attempt, rejecting from the exponential resistance on the weekly time frame. This is the lowest price for UNG at 633. The lowest price that we've seen in a year and a half, and that is very significant. So the gains have been made by NATGAS, the 3 times leveraged ETF, which is a bear for natural gas. And as soon as we broke the higher low pattern, as soon as we broke 685, that was the direction to be looking at here. And UNG, you could short UNG or play puts, whatever way you choose to play it. Bearish is the longer term direction for both oil and natural gas. So whenever we see strength on the daily time frame, we scout out looking for lower highs to be set and looking for bearish entries. So we are going with the overall trend. I appreciate you watching. I hope you have a good rest of your weekend, and we'll continue to check in here. Keep an eye on that hour or the daily RSI. If we hit 30, we can assume that a bounce is occurring in the near term future.